Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Kia. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 131,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, window defogger, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, and keyless entry. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.